Hey there, welcome back to our channel Finbits, where we discuss all things finance and investing. Today, we've got a fascinating topic on the agenda, something that's relevant to the year 2023 and beyond: stocks. Stocks are an essential part of any investor's toolkit. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pro, understanding how stocks work and the strategies that can help you grow your portfolio is crucial. So, what exactly are stocks? Think of them as tiny pieces of ownership in a company. When you own a stock, you own a portion of that company's assets and earnings. These little certificates represent your claim on the company's assets and profits. The more stocks you own, the bigger your share in the company. Stocks are traded on the stock market. For U.S. equities, it's the New York Stock Exchange, the NYSE. In 2023, the stock market has evolved dramatically. It's faster, more digital, and accessible than ever before. It's also important to know that there can be losing and winning years. On average, the stock market returns 10% if you were to buy the SPY or index funds. But for example, the stock market since 2021, as inflation soared, stocks fell. But thanks to technology, you can now buy and sell stocks with a few clicks on your computer or smartphone. This accessibility has opened up a world of opportunities for investors of all backgrounds. Something famous investor Warren Buffett says: "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." Warren Buffett's investing philosophy emphasizes the long-term view. He suggests picking solid, well-established companies and holding on to their stocks for years, even decades. In 2023, this advice still holds true. Invest in companies you believe in, and don't be swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Now, let's talk about some key strategies for growing your stock portfolio. Whether you're a conservative investor or a risk taker, there's a strategy for you. One approach is the buy and hold strategy. Like Warren Buffett mentioned, this involves purchasing stocks and holding on to them for an extended period. Another strategy is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is a risk management strategy that involves spreading your investments across a variety of different assets to reduce the overall risk in your portfolio. In the context of stocks, diversification means holding a mix of stocks from various companies, industries, and sectors, rather than concentrating your investments in a single stock or a few closely related stocks. Dollar cost averaging is another technique where you invest a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. This smooths out the effects of market volatility. Dollar cost averaging, DCA, is an investment strategy that involves regularly investing a fixed amount of money into a particular investment, regardless of its price. In the context of the stock market, DCA is a long-term approach that can help investors mitigate the impact of market volatility and reduce the emotional stress associated with trying to time the market. Value investing is all about finding undervalued stocks. Look for companies with strong fundamentals that the market may have overlooked. On the flip side, growth investing focuses on companies with the potential for rapid expansion. Tech companies in 2023 are a prime example. For example, today would be Palantir Technologies. They're a company that uses AI to analyze data for companies and government agencies. One thing all successful investors have in common is an appreciation for the power of compounding. Compounding means that your returns generate returns. Over time, the stock market isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are risks involved, and it's essential to manage them. Diversification, setting stop-loss orders, and staying informed are some ways to mitigate risks and protect your investments. Staying informed is crucial, especially in 2023. The internet and social media have made it easier than ever to access information, but it's essential to separate the signal from the noise. Reliable sources, analysis, and keeping up with market trends can help you make informed decisions. Now, let's talk about building a stock portfolio. Your portfolio should reflect your risk tolerance, investment goals, and time horizon. A well-balanced mix of stocks and other assets like bonds can help you weather market storms. Emotional discipline is another essential aspect of stock investing. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. Fear and greed can lead to impulsive actions that harm your investments. Stick to your strategy. Periodically review and rebalance your portfolio. As your goals and circumstances change, your portfolio should adapt accordingly. Regular rebalancing ensures you stay on track. Tax efficiency is often overlooked but can make a significant difference in your returns. In 2023, there are various tax-advantaged accounts, like IRAs and 401ks, that can help you keep more of your money. There are various investment options in 2023. You can choose individual stocks or opt for exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds, which offer diversification. ETFs and mutual funds can be an excellent choice for beginners or those who prefer a hands-off approach. Patience is a virtue in the world of investing. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the impatient to the patient. Don't be swayed by day-to-day market fluctuations. Keep your long-term goals in mind. So, there you have it, a comprehensive guide to stocks and how they work. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Finbits for more informative videos. If you have any questions or want to learn more about investing, leave a comment below. See you in the next video.